Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Tuesday 30th of August. And I do actually like how Bitcoin is making some move to the upside. I'm just on the 5 minutes time frame right now, and on the smaller time frame we can already see that Bitcoin is probably breaking out of this small little pattern right there, continuation pattern right now. So from there to there we might be looking for Bitcoin to actually go all the way up to $20,605. But I've actually even mentioned on the Discord and my signals that Bitcoin can give a relief up to $20,800 because that's where the whole magic happens. Now, don't get too much excited at the moment because this is some sort of a small relief to the upside, and there could be chances that you're looking for Bitcoin to actually go to a particular resistance level. So what I'm going to say is the following. So here we are. So that's going to be something like that. That's the flag right there. The flag technical target isn't really met, but there's one level that Bitcoin can go for a little bit of a relief and stay sidelines here. So that's going to be from there to there, and we're looking for Bitcoin to actually just come up a little bit to 20,800, maybe just a jab to a little bit of a punch up here to 21,000, and then boom, later on actually come to the downside. Now today's 30th of August, and we still have a lot of things to do, and there's one more thing that I do want to talk about, and that is there's this pattern that I just noticed that I cannot really say it's a good pattern. Probably it's really bad, so let's talk about it. So which is gonna be the three line strike, I guess, in my opinion. That's the one that I'm looking for. And just like that, we do have the three line strike pattern right now. So when you see these three black crows and one big huge green candle, I think that Bitcoin is still in a downtrend with that three black crows and that one big green candle. So all of this, all in all, it's a bearish pattern that means continuation to go further down. Now, however, Bitcoin still is looking to come down to $18,000. That's something that is actually pretty there. But if you end up coming up and breaking the flag itself back to $21,644, I'm actually going to be forced by the charts to change my opinion to go to the downside, because I cannot change as long as that technical target to $18,000 and $17,800 is still there. That's something pretty sure that I can tell you. But this is still a small relief nonetheless that you can have for Bitcoin all the way up to $20,800. The best scenario to continue higher and higher, that's going to be to break this level, come down for the retest, hold the retest, and then boom, you can actually continue to the upside. So one more thing that I just want to check is the weekly time frame, and how the weekly is starting off. So in my opinion, the weekly is still shady. I do expect this week, in the next 5 days, Bitcoin to still end up closing near $17,800. We still have 5 days to actually do that. So the way Bitcoin just came down, and you can see there's nothing going on in here, but the weekly closing really matters. If you do end up coming up to $21,700, and that's when you're going to be breaking the flag itself, and you do come down here and you break the flag. Okay, when you do break the flag at $21,671, then that's, first of all, is going to be a bottom candlestick, right? Bottoming candlestick. So the weekly closing pretty much really is a significant thing to look at right now. And not only that, that's going to be a nice, beautiful double bottom. Okay, that's going to be a double bottom, and then you go back up, you break this level, you come up here, you tackle that level, and then we're looking for Bitcoin to basically move from there to there, and we're going to be talking about a technical target for Bitcoin to go up to $31,000. It is just a scenario for a double bottom, right? It hasn't happened yet, but it all depends right now. The all weight depends on how the weekly really ends. The weekly can shout out really good. So that's pretty much it for this quick update. $20,800 does make sense for a relief a little bit. We are really oversold on the RSI on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, so it does make sense. We've been scalping this one on the signals as well. And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.